I want to have a quick conversation with you about the 10 best 0% intro APR business credit cards out there. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How you doing today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous if you were to ask me. And if you are doing as great as I am, we'll grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. Today I want to talk to you about the 10 best 0% intro APR business credit cards available out there. Now before I get into the analysis, please just check out this short element about how about our evaluation approach, how we test, how we review, and how we categorize all credit cards that we researched, and what led to this top 10 list I'm gonna share with you in a few seconds. Check this out. All right, number 10, the Bank of America Platinum Visa Business Credit Card. The score, 8 over 10. Now, although a business credit card rewards program will allow you to earn while you spend, you might prefer a straightforward credit card with no extras to manage, right? In this case, you might consider the Bank of America Platinum Visa Business Card. This Bank of America card they offer a 7-month 0% intro APR period, no annual fee, and a welcome bonus of $300 cash back in the form of a statement credit when you spend $3,000 in purchases within 90 days after opening your account. Even better, you can also get employee cards at no additional cost with credit limits you set. The Bank of America Platinum Visa card has no annual fee. This is kind of important for a lot of business owners out there. So although this may not be the most competitive option on our list today, you might use this no fee, low interest card to simplify your business spending. Number 9, Bank of America Business Advantage Cash Rewards MasterCard. We have rated this card as a little superior to the Bank of America Platinum Visa Business Card when it comes to 0% intro APR business credit cards. And so the Bank of America Business Advantage Cash Rewards MasterCard, we have rated this card at 8.5 over 10. The thing here is that if you are looking with this card, you have gazillions of rewards. You have 3% cash back on the category of your choice, choosing from gas stations, office supply stores, travel, TV and wireless, computer services, or business consulting services. 2% cash back on restaurants for the first $50,000 combined choice category and dining purchases. 1% cash back on all other purchases, and you'll be able to redeem this cash rewards in the form of a statement credit, check, or deposit into a Bank of America checking or savings account. In addition, if you spend $3,000 in purchases within 90 days of opening your account, you'll earn a $300 cashback bonus. Therefore, if you're looking for a 0% intro APR business credit card that can also offer a tiered cashback rewards program, welcome bonus, as well as no annual fee, this is the Bank of America option you certainly might want to consider. Number 8, Capital One Spark Miles Select for Business. This is a great card, folks. We love it when it comes to 0% intro APR business credit cards, and we have scored this card at 8.5 over 10. So similar to other Capital One cards, The Capital One Spark Miles Select is one of the best 0% intro APR business credit cards that offers a long-term travel rewards program plus a travel welcome bonus. So with this Capital One card, you'll have access to 0% interest for, check this out, 9 months. That's fantastic. As well as an unlimited 1% miles on every dollar you spend. This card places no limits on the miles you can earn, and with them, you'll be able to fly any airline, anytime with no blackout dates or seat restrictions. Now, in the current situation, in the current pandemic pandemic era we're in, this might not sound interesting, but it's always good to have because this card has other rewards besides the travel ones. Additionally, the Capital One Spark Miles Select will offer a credit card bonus of 20,000 miles when you just spend $3,000 within the first 3 months of opening your account. This card also has a 0%, it has a no annual fee and no foreign transaction fee. This is really, really wonderful, especially if your business has a lot of employees who travel all the time. That's kind of cool. Number 7, the Capital One Spark Cash Select for Business. Another Capital One card, but this one is a little superior. So we have scored this card 9.9 over 10. So the Capital One Spark Cash Select card makes this is on our list because not only it's a business credit card with 0% intro APR, but also for the range of additional benefits it can offer. So the 0% intro APR period is also 9 months in this case, but the card does not have the longest interest-free period, that's for sure, but it offers things like no annual fee, no foreign transaction fee, free employee cards that also earn rewards. Think about that. So each employee card that you have earns rewards. That's fantastic. And you also have an unlimited 1% cash back on every purchase with no cap. This is the rewards. The cashback is not capped, it's uncapped. Fantastic. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. We're also having a conversation here around the 10 best 0% intro APR business credit cards available out there. And number 6, the Inc. Business Cash Credit Card from Chase. And this is great for typical business expenses, and we have rated this card at 9 over 10. You have a $750 sign-up bonus if you spend $7,500 in the first 3 months. 0% intro APR for 12 months on purchases, 12 months, compared to the Capital One Spark Cash Select for business that gives you 9 months. This card gives you 12 months. So you have a 5%, 2%, or 1% cash back depending on where you spend. The intro APR is 0%, of course, but the regular APR ranges from 13.24% to 19.24% variable. And the minimum credit you need to have here is it has to be between $660 and $699. That's pretty reasonable. That's pretty decent. And one thing you have to also remember here is that on top of this business credit card perks that I just talked to you about, the Inc. Cash has no annual fee. It allows you to get employee cards at no additional cost and offers a welcome bonus of $500 if you spend $3,000 within the first 3 months of opening your account. Therefore, if you're going to be doing a significant amount of spending in this higher tier reward categories, this 0% intro APR business credit card will truly allow you to maximize what you earn on your spending. And that's the idea here, right? Number 5, with a score of 9 over 10, we have the Bank of America Business Advantage Travel Rewards World Mastercard. This is a card that not only has a 0% intro APR, but it has tons of rewards and perks. So of course, the card has a shorter intro APR period, 0% intro APR period, only 9 months compared to 12. But we have rated this card higher because it offers a great balance between interest-free periods and travel earnings. So with this card, you can redeem your rewards point for travel with no blackout dates, and you can also redeem points for cash back or gift cards. With this 0% intro APR business credit card, you will earn 1.5 reward points per dollar on all purchases and 3 points on every dollar spent on travel purchases. In addition, you'll have the opportunity to receive 30,000 points when you spend 3,000 in net purchases within 90 days of opening the account. The one thing we also like is that it has no annual fee, no international transaction fee. So that's just fantastic. Number 4, we have the Chase Ink Business Unlimited credit card. Our score 9.5 over 10. This card is great for unlimited cashback and welcome bonus. So you have a 0%. You have a 0% intro APR on purchases for 12 months. That's fantastic. $750 welcome bonus if you spend $7,500 in the first 3 months. Unlimited 1.5% cashback on every purchase. The regular APR stands between a 13.24% to 19.24% variable. There is no foreign transaction fee. There is no annual fee. That's fantastic. And the credit here, the minimum credit has to be 660. So that's kind of cool. The thing here is that for one of the best 0% intro APR business credit cards that also offers flat rate cashback rewards, you might want to check out the Chase Ink Business Unlimited. Number 3, you have the US Bank Business Platinum card, and we have rated this card 9.5 over 10. Why? This card has a constellation of perks and rewards that you might appreciate if you are a business owner trying to balance. If you are a business owner trying to balance not only reporting requirements but also operational effectiveness. In other words, you're trying to monitor your spending, but you're trying to recoup as much cash, rewards, and points as possible. So the card has no annual fee. It offers, so I'm talking about the US Bank Business Platinum card. It has no annual fee. It offers free employee cards and provides zero for liability to protect you against unauthorized transactions. The great thing we love about this card is that the 0% intro APR, guess what? Runs for 20 months. 20, not 12, not 9. We're talking here 20 months. And this is applicable to both purchases and balance transfers. So folks, if you're out there and you're thinking about and you want to get some kind of breather financially, and you want to have some time to readjust your business finances, the US Bank Business Platinum card might be a great option. So you have 0% intro APR for 20 months. Now, the card, of course, has no annual fee, no foreign transaction fee. So that's kind of cool. Number 2, the Blue Business Plus credit card from American Express, 9.5 over 10. So this card is kind of cool too, because if you're looking for a business credit card with a long 0% intro APR on purchases, you might consider the Blue Business Plus card from American Express. So the card has one of the longest 0% intro APR periods, 12 months, on any business card on the market. Of course, after the US Bank Business Platinum card. However, with the Blue Business Plus credit card from American Express, your 0% intro APR period will not last forever. So after your first 12 months, your Blue Business Plus will have an APR that will vary with the market. So you want to be sure to consult the issuer's terms and conditions for the latest APR information. In addition, on top of the 0% intro APR period on this card, the Blue Business Plus also offers 2 times rewards points on the first $50,000 you spend and does not charge an annual fee. Number one, the best 0% intro APR business credit card out there right now is the American Express Blue Business Cash Card. And we have scored this card 10 over 10. First, this Amex business credit card will come with a 12-month intro 0% APR period that applies to purchases you make during that time. Plus, with 0% interest for 12 months, this card also offers one of the longest intro APR periods for a business credit card on the market. After the first 12 months, your APR will be set in a rate that depends on the market and also on your credit worthiness. So again, check with the American Express for that. Ultimately, however, the Blue Business Card, Cash Card rather, not only offers one of the best 0% intro APR peers out there, but it also has substantial cashback rewards. So you'll earn 2% cashback on all eligible purchases on up to $15,000 per calendar year, then 1% on everything else. In addition to that, the Blue Business Cash Card has no annual fee. All right, folks. So basically you have it. So these are the 10 best 0% APR, 0% intro APR business credit card available out there. Let's just have an overview to sort of quick general conversation here. Here are what you need to know when it comes to 0% intro APR business credit cards. As you are exploring your different options for business credit cards, you might want to consider certain things, because using a business credit card with a 0% intro APR period, you will essentially have a credit card that acts as an interest-free loan. That's really the idea here. The idea is to have an interest-free loan, and this lets you pay down debt while paying no interest on purchases during the introductory period. In other words, if you carry a balance on your business credit card during a 0% intro APR period, you'll be able to pay off that balance interest-free. That's really cool, right? Therefore, a 0% intro APR business credit card can be particularly valuable for a small business owner, especially if you are planning on buying big ticket items or making several one-time purchases after opening your credit card account. This being said though, if you are looking for the best business credit cards with 0% intro APR, you want to think about you want to go through the list that I just had and see what really fits your personal situation, because choosing the best 0% intro APR business credit card depends on a couple of things. It depends on your business situation, depends on your operational categories you spend most of your money on, most of the business money on. It also depends on the credit worthiness, not only your personal credit, but also the business credit, right? So you can actually, and you have to, and one thing I want to say before closing today is that you want to skip this 0% intro APR business credit cards if you don't have balances that you believe that are worth transferring, or you don't believe that you will be making big ticket items in the next 12 months, for example, then you don't really need to have a 0% intro APR business credit cards. All right. Thank you, folks. So here's a recap of today's conversation. Number 1, American Express Blue Business Cash Card, 10 over 10. Number 2, the Blue Business Plus Credit Card from American Express, 9.5 over 10. Number 3, the US Bank Business Platinum Card, 9.5 over 10. Number 4, the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited Credit Card, 9.5 over 10. Number 5, Bank of America Business Advantage Travel Rewards World MasterCard, 9 over 10. Number 6, Chase Inc. Business Cash Credit Card, 9.9 over 10. Number 7, Capital One Spark Cash Select for Business, 9 over 10. Number 8, the Capital One Spark Miles Select for Business, 8.5 over 10. Number 9, Bank of America Business Advantage Cash Rewards MasterCard, 8.5 over 10. And number 10, last but not the least, Bank of America Platinum Visa Business Card, 8 over 10. I will see you next time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.